Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back with the third installation of my BTS World Nail Art series, and this is for All Night. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Unto Peel Off base coat, which I always link in the description box. Paint your index fingernail black, your middle fingernail a sparkly purple, your ring fingernail white, your pinky fingernail a dark navy blue, and your thumbnail purple. For the index fingernail, I'm taking a milky white polish to draw a hand grabbing onto a microphone, and this illustrates Namjoon's line, "Go grab the mic and let out the sword, this my fan mail, wanna give out my heart." I've actually already done a design similar to this one for my mic drop design, however this one is a bit different in that it's just like an outline, and I used the milky white so that it could kind of resemble a neon sign. Then I drew in the microphone using a silver foil polish. For the middle fingernail design, I'm just taking white polish to draw a thick C for the moon. Since the title of the track is All Night, I wanted to represent the nighttime somehow, and this was the easiest way to do so. And also, it isn't too far from the lyrics because we do have a line that's flashing lights, flashing nights, so we have the stars that are flashing in the night sky. Next, I also took very little white polish on my thin brush here, and I added some crosses and diamond shapes as well as some dots to represent the stars in the night sky. Next, dab on some hollow top coat in select areas of the night sky. For the ring fingernail design, I'm starting by applying liquid latex on the skin around my nail. And then I'll be applying a gradient of the following colors with a sponge, and this is to show a sort of sunset. I then colored in the lawn with a bluish green. Peel off the liquid latex once you are done. Then apply some more yellow polish over the sponge on yellow area. Next, I layered on various shades of green to add dimension to the lawn. Next, take some thinned out white polish and add some clouds and stars to the night sky. Then I'm taking a medium gray polish to add a road or a path in the middle of the lawn. And this nail design is inspired by the line 뭔가 보일 때까지 일단 그냥 달려, which means till you see something you have to keep running for now. So although there's basically nothing but a scenic sunset in the background, you should keep running after your goals until you do see something and you do see the fruits of your success and hard work blossom. Also, if you think that this ring fingernail design is a copy of the A Brand New Day ring fingernail design, that's completely true because I wanted these two designs to be a set, a duo, and for them to match, so we have All Night representing night and A Brand New Day representing morning. And for the pinky nail design, I focused on the line 영감아 기다려 널 잡을게 all mine, which means courage, just wait a bit, I'll catch you all mine. And so in my case, I made a star, the courage, and this person is reaching and stretching to reach for that star. That star is kind of far away, but it's also within reach, within touch. So it's totally doable, and this person is ready to catch it and make it all theirs. For the thumbnail design, I started by applying liquid latex on the skin around my nail and sponging on a gradient of 2 purples. And I also ripped up small pieces of foam to apply other shades of pinks and purples onto the nail, mostly around the edge. I also lightly dabbed on white polish for the stars. And in the middle, I'm going to be taking very little white polish to draw just part of a planet. It's not even half, it's not even a quarter, it's like a slither of the planet. Sponge on the base color to blend it in, and I also went over top with a hot pink for the streaks in the planet, and then on top of this whole planet I added the milky white. Add that burst of light in the middle of the nail using a sponge and white polish. Then take a thin brush with some white polish and draw the rings and stars around the planet. If needed, blur some of the lines with nail polish thinner. Apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for this BTS All Night nail art tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will be back with a tutorial that will make your heart beat in the final installation of the BTS WRLD nail art series.